guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to show you my beauty room tour. I actually just changed it up quite a bit. I don't know if you can remember my first beauty tour video, but it has been a couple of years and there has been a lot of changes. So this is just like I'm in my doorway right now, and this is it, like the smallest room in my house, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of it. So if you're curious to see what my beauty room looks like, just keep on watching. So first up, when you enter, you see my desk. This is just one random desk I actually got from my husband. This is his late desk. And I've got a little light in the back, and on the wall I have like this IKEA like elevating floating wall thing. I have no idea how you call this in English, but I just got some random stuff up there. So I've got my little ceramic flamingo. I've got a really old nail polish, which actually has been my mom's. It's like a really old Max Factor nail polish, a little Hello Kitty, my wooden like leave a little sparkle wherever you go plate. I really like that one. Some Catrice polishes which actually don't fit in my Helmer cabinets. An empty bottle of one of my favorite perfumes. This is by Marc Jacobs, the Daisy Dream one. I love this scent, especially in spring and summer. Then I've got a little like glass bowl with some rings in there, which are actually too big for my regular jewelry like cabinet thingy. This is a box I got from Essence because they are celebrating their 15th birthday, or well, at least they did last year, and I got this around Christmas time. I've got a few body lotions from the Body Shop, some notebooks, and just one metallic feather I actually got in a goodie bag from my previous job. And underneath I just screwed in a few hooks, and I just put all my necklaces, well, almost all my necklaces and some earrings, chokers on there. So I just randomly screwed in a couple, I think it were 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hooks, and I got a lot of like jewelry hanging there. So I'm always that kind of girl, like I have a lot of like chokers and necklaces and stuff like that, but I forget I have them if I don't see them. So if I would like stack them away in a box or something, I would never ever wear them. And since I've got them hanging around just right here, like at my desk and computer and stuff, I actually see them and I do grab for them more often. So that's what I got on there. And here's just a Sephora bag with just some random stuff, like some headbands, some bows, all that jazz. Then here underneath, this is like a messy little corner I don't know what to do with yet, because that's my trash bin. There are a few Hello Kitty boxes which contain some magazines, some old books and stuff like that. In here is just a little bit of everything. Actually, my wedding flowers are there. I just let them dry, and this is what is left of them. And I've been married for, let me think, September 1st, 2018. We will be married for 4 years already. And we are together for almost 13 years now. I'm filming this. So it's been quite a while. And here is just some stuff. I don't know what to do with it. And that big metal plate was first up there, but I felt like this was way cuter and more my style. So I think I'm going to screw that one onto my door. And on my door I actually have like this cute little bunny hanging around. But it's been there forever and I don't want to change it. And this is my desk. I've got a little like to-do list notepad thingy there with some Body Shop soaps. They just smell really, really nice. And this is my computer. I'm actually uploading at the moment, as you can see, and this is just my regular chair. So at this little spot I have my clock, I have my twin markers which I use for a lot of nail art, some pens, just some random nail art brushes, just a lot of different stuff, my agenda, And this is just some stuff I have laying around, some items I still have to review, or just some backup stuff. And then underneath I have a little roll of tape and some china glaze polishes I still have to use. And then in here I have a lot of my nail art stuff, but I will get into those when I'm going to film like a nail art stash. So I'm just quickly showing you what's in here. This is just some random stuff, like some tripods, some cables and stuff like that. And the other one, like here, is still some stuff I still have to review and make photos of. And underneath my desk, just right there, I have like a second big tripod, which actually comes up pretty high. Then in this corner, that's like all my stuff I used up. I still have to make a video of that. I have some extra lighting and some random flowers. Then this is actually my work spot, and sorry if the lights are like super bright, but these are my 3 daylight lamps. I also have like the white sheets to go on top of those. And sorry, my work desk is a little bit messy. I still have to clean up. Here are some polishes I still have to use and try out and review. These are all brushes in the back. These are mascaras, eyeliners, brow stuff, eye pencils, some random stuff. I always use it. It's just handy to have it like here so I can grab it whenever I need it. And some nail polish remover. Here are my nail soakers and some cotton pads, and these are just some products I use like really often. My Pokemon foundation, Essence setting powder, a hand cream by Essence, which is actually really nice. These are just some concealers and eye base, and my NYX brow pomade. And this is just some random stuff which actually has to go there because that's the remote for my camera. And I have the Nikon D5200, and I got the red edition, as you can see. So this is actually my working spot, and I use this little like tripod thingy to film when I'm doing like nail art, and it's always on this little part of the desk, and I just scoop it out a little bit. So, and I always work on a tile as my background. This is just like a faux marble tile. And then after that you have this wall, and this wall is actually my entire stash. So I have these white cabinets are all from IKEA. I actually just bought 4 extra. I already had 4, but I now have 8 in total. And these first 4 contain all of my nail polishes, and these 4 contain my makeup stash. But I still have to like redo them a little bit because I just got those cabinets in and I just placed them there to like film this video. So in most cabinets they will still be empty, but actually here is like the biggest part of my collection in. So this is all makeup. These two are going to be all makeup as well, and these 4 are all nail polishes. So I think I already got some polishes in here because I really was desperate for more storage space. And here is also already a little bit in, but these are like stuffed, like really stuffed, and they're really heavy as well. But I really do like these cabinets because they're only 30 euros and you have so much space in them, because they also have like little wheels and stuff, but I just store them without the wheels because I won't be like sliding them around my room much. And on top of that I have like 2 little signs I got for my birthday, like I don't know, I think 4 or 5 years ago. I still really like them. And on top are some of my daily perfumes, some hand creams right there, and some other perfumes I use like every now and then. Then on this side, like that's me, that's one of my wedding pictures. And I got some of these lipstick, like acrylic transparent racks, just lipstick holders I guess you can call them. And these are just a few of my like liquid lipsticks and just some random lipsticks. Then here on this little, like the cabinet underneath is all like art stuff, like I don't even know what's in there. There's like a lot of like stuff to paint, like nail art stuff, the whole shebang. And on this side I have all of my backups. And these are two really old cabinets. I actually bought these when I just moved out of my parents' place. And there is a lot of like random stuff in here, also like craft stuff, like some stickers, feathers, and all that jazz. There's just a lot of different stuff in here, and I actually did these like leopard print tape thingies on it themselves because there are actually Disney princesses on here, but I really preferred the leopard print. And these little boxes contain a ton of my jewelry. I don't use that often. There are also some like heirlooms in here, just like brooches and stuff like that. And then here I've got some of my favorite makeup books. So you have the Bobbi Brown one, of course. I also have a few of Kevin Aucoin, really cool. And here I got two little pots with a ton of Lime Crime liquid lipsticks in there. So I've got some really standard colors, but also a ton of like really bright ones. And this is just some flowers I got from my work because there have been a lot of stuff going on there and they just wanted to apologize. So I got this lovely bouquet of flowers and I really love these tiny tiger lilies. So pretty. But that was actually my entire beauty room. I really hope you enjoyed. Sorry if the screen or like my filming skills are a little wobbly because I tend to shake a lot with my hands. But thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.